Immersive View is an innovative feature in Zoom that allows hosts to customize backgrounds and position attendees within a virtual scene. To enable the Immersive View feature, you will need to log in to the Zoom portal. Stony Brook users can do so by going to stonybrook.zoom.us and then logging in with your NetID and password. Once you are logged in, go to Settings. Then select In-Meeting Advanced. Scroll down and locate the option for Immersive View and make sure that this setting is enabled. After this is enabled, you can start a meeting. You can use this feature by selecting View at the top right corner of your screen. Then you can select Immersive. Here you can choose a background that participants will be placed in. The number on each background image represents the maximum amount of participants that can be placed in the background. You can also select the plus sign to upload your own image as well. By default, participants will automatically be placed in the image at random. However, you can select manually to choose which participants will appear in the image. Once you are ready, you can select Start to begin. And now, you'll be placed in the image in your meeting. Please keep in mind that there are some limitations for the Immersive View feature. If you are interested in learning more, please see the link in the description. Thank you for watching. For more content, please subscribe to our channel.